Hello, my name is Emma Simone. I am here with the digital learning team at the College of Arts and Sciences. And in this video series, I will be showing you how to use the Panorama Accessibility Checker and Report tool in Canvas. Today, I'll be showing you how to enable the tool on your sidebar, as well as how to navigate to the dashboard. I'm here in a sandbox course to use as an example, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down on my sidebar options to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and choose the Navigation tab and scroll down to find the Panorama option. There it is. I'm going to use the three dots and choose Enable. This will populate it into my active sidebar options. Make sure to scroll down again and click Save. Once we've saved that, I'm going to go back to Home, and we can see that Panorama is now showing up as an option on our sidebar. If it doesn't show up after enabling, you may have to refresh the page. I'm going to click into Panorama now. This will pull up the dashboard for the entire college, but what we want is the course report. So hover over this sidebar and it will pull out some more options. We want to go to the course report specifically. This will pull up your course report. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to read the information in the course report and how to launch remediation so that you can start fixing those accessibility issues in your course. Thank you.